What's up, YouTube family? Out here getting it in as usual. Y'all already know. So I got a call about some AC not working in a Rivy. So just a little quick fix to get them going. I tried what I can try on it. I couldn't figure out why wasn't getting no power. You say after it came out the interior shop, stuff was kind of screwed up. So instead of taking his dash out and messing up stuff, I found a quick fix, simple solution. Get him some AC in his car right quick. Y'all check it out. Okay, let me see. Gotta put the screws back up under there. So what I did, y'all, now I did find a point up here in the harness that was getting power on and off from the switch in there. Now it's another green wire that's supposed to turn on the compressor. I can't get it to get power. Every once in a while the power on it will just pop on, and I done messed with wires. I done tried this, tried that. I can't get it to get no power. So one of the blower motor wires from the switch, it turns on and off with the switch from the inside. So what I did, I ran that to turn on this relay, and then this relay turns on the blower motor and send a signal to the AC pressure switch, then from the AC pressure switch to the AC compressor. So that makes the compressor go through the AC switch where it'll still circulate if it need to. Like when you hit the passenger, the compressor supposed to kick off, then kick back on. It's still gonna do all of that through the relay. Now, the only thing is when he turn it on, the blower motor is gonna automatically come on high, which is in every old school car I done had, and I done literally had probably 100 old school cars. I never use low. I mean, the blower motors already don't blow that hard. So, I mean, this is just to get them a quick fix. AC blowing, it's still cut on and off with the switch. The only thing he don't have is high and low settings. And that's a quick fix. Instead of me tearing down this nice dashboard, I've been working all day. I'm dirty, I'm oily. I really didn't even want to get in this man's car, but he needed his AC. And instead of me taking all these nice panels loose and doing all that, this was basically just a quick fix to get him some AC, and it's still done right through the circulation switch. You know what I'm saying? Everything still work just like how it's supposed to work. He just don't have a high and low setting. Look who pulled up, old Pat. Pat! What's the word? Shooting old video. Showing them Hey, how you doing? You all right? Good, good. Hot, ready to take me a shower. Lord have mercy. Yes, ma'am. Too hot. Yeah, man, I had to fix him some AC in there. The only thing he lost is the high and low setting, but I got him blowing. You know what I'm saying? So I don't think he'll be mad at that. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to call him and tell him he's ready. I'm ready to call it a night. But yeah, people, I'll holler at y'all later.